Welcome to our LPagery tutorial. Today, I'll demonstrate how to create dynamic parent pages using LPagery. We have prepared two templates for this purpose, one for countries and another for cities. We begin with these two templates. The first template is for countries and the second is for cities. I have also prepared two Google Sheet templates. The first contains a list of countries. We'll make this sheet public through Google to use it later. Head to the LPagery dashboard and select the country template. We'll then choose the Google Sheet option and paste the sheet's URL. Ensure that the Google Sheet is public for accessibility. A quick overview of the pages to be created is displayed, and I'll assign a purpose to each for better organization. By clicking on Create Pages, we initiate the page generation process. For each country listed in the sheet, a corresponding page is created, for example, Spain and France. Now, let's set dynamic parents for city pages. We want cities like Los Angeles and New York to have the United States as their parent, and cities like London to have England. To achieve this, we use the LPagery parent header in our Google Sheet. In the LPagery parent column, we can insert placeholders like country. It's crucial to ensure the country column is present in the city's Google Sheet for correct association. In this case, the URL of the parent page is page for France, for example, so we include the country placeholder in the place of France. Next, make the city's Google Sheet public. In the LPagery settings, select the city page and leave the parent field empty. Here we will set a dynamic parent for each page directly from our Google Sheet. If the value in the LPagery parent column is empty, the default value from the parent dropdown will be used. Insert the city's Google Sheet URL. You'll see the titles change to include the parent names. You can click on each to open in a new tab for verification. As an alternative, you can also directly assign a parent using the post ID instead of a placeholder. Both methods work well, depending on your requirement. In this case, I can just enter the post ID of the parent page into the Google Sheet column for the parent page. Finally, click on Create Pages to generate the city pages with their respective dynamic parents. For example, the Marseille page will have Page for France as its parent. And as you can see, the city pages now have different parent pages. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.